Welcome! Today we're going to learn about which ORCA card is right for me, brought to you by Hopelink and the Seattle Department of Transportation. ORCA stands for One Regional Card for All. However, there are actually several different types of ORCA cards depending on if you meet certain eligibility requirements. Your ORCA card might be blue, or it might be green. There are several eligibility categories that you might fall into in order to qualify for a specific card. For example, if you're a senior, you might get one type of card. If you're low income, you might get another type. If you have a disability, you might get yet another type. If you're a youth, you get a youth card. Finally, if you're an adult, you will get an adult card. An ORCA card allows you to transfer between and pay for several types of transit agencies in our region. The transit agencies that currently use ORCA card are King County Metro, Seattle Center Monorail, Community Transit, Kitsap Transit, Seattle Streetcar, Washington State Ferries, Sound Transit, Pierce Transit, and Everett Transit. The regular ORCA adult card is for adults aged 19 to 64 who do not have any special circumstances, such as being low income, having a disability, or being on certain government benefit programs. If you think any of these circumstances might apply to you, keep watching to learn about the other ORCA card programs. However, if you don't fit into any of those categories, then you probably only qualify for the ORCA adult card. These cards cost $5, and they allow you to pay the regular full fare on the bus, which can be anywhere from $2.75 to $3.25. Sometimes your school or employer can help you pay for transit costs or an ORCA card, so be sure to ask them about any transit benefit programs they might offer before getting your own ORCA card. The next type of ORCA card is the ORCA Youth Card. This is for youth between the ages of 6 and 18. It allows youth to pay a lower cost fare of $1.50 on any bus. However, the initial card still costs $5. You should also check with your student school to see if they offer any ORCA card programs. The ORCA Lift Card is the low-income reduced fare for ORCA. This is for low-income individuals and their families. It allows you to pay for the bus at a slightly reduced cost to the normal adult fare. Fares only cost $1.50 with the ORCA Lift Card. Also, your initial card is free. Income qualifications for the ORCA Lift Card are slightly tricky to understand. The main thing to know is you have to earn 200% or less of the federal poverty line for the last 30 days. Of course, this still doesn't make much sense. So let's break it down even more. In 2020, for one person, you should be earning $2,127 per month or less in order to qualify for the ORCA Lift. For a couple, they should earn $2,873 per month or less. For a family of 4, they should earn $4,367 per month or less. If you think you make around this amount, then it might be a good idea to apply for the ORCA Lift Card. In order to apply, you can bring pay stubs for the last 30 days, or an award letter for Social Security or other cash benefit, or if you're enrolled in EBT, which is food stamps, or Washington State Medicaid, you can bring your food stamp award letter or a Provider 1 card for enrollment. If you have no income, you can bring an employment security verification form. In order to apply, you should go to the downtown metro offices or a King County Public Health office to apply in person. www.kingcounty.gov/lift lists some options of offices that may be close to you. The ORCA RRFP card is for seniors age 65 or older, or people with disabilities, age 6 to 64. RRFP stands for Regional Reduced Fare Permanent. This card allows you to pay a slightly reduced cost for fares, only $1, and your initial card is free. In order to apply for this card, seniors only need to provide photo ID listing their age to receive one of these cards. If you have a disability, you can qualify for several reasons. For example, you receive Medicare. You have an ADA paratransit card. You are participating in a career program with the Washington State IEP program. You have a Washington State Department of Licensing disabled parking ID. Or you're certified by your doctor or other medical professional as having a disability. In order to learn more about how to apply for the RRFP card, check out our video, How to Apply for the ORCA RRFP Card. The final ORCA card is known as the Subsidized Annual Pass and is only available to people enrolled in certain DSHS cash benefit programs. This is a fully subsidized pass, meaning that you, the card holder, will not have to pay anything to ride the bus. However, you have to be enrolled in one of the following programs to qualify. These programs include HEN, Housing and Essential Needs, TANF, Temporary Assistance for Needy Families, SFA, State Family Assistance, SSI, Supplemental Security Income, PWA, Pregnant Women Assistance, RCA, Refugee Cash Assistance, and ABD, Age, Blind, and Disabled. Please note that SSI is not the same thing as Social Security Retirement Income. If you're enrolled in one of these programs, you can go to a King County Public Health office or a DSHS office to sign up for the subsidized ORCA card. Remember to bring your proof of enrollment. That's it, and thanks for watching our video.